in my chest. All the pain in me. Can someone come set me free? I'll be sitting at the edge of the window, always thinking where the stars and the moon go. And you can tell me that it's all just in my head. I'll be waiting for you to walk through the front door, 'cause my heart always yearns and it calls for you. Am I really healing? My heart is always bleeding. Look closely inside. There's nothing left for me to hide. All the pain I feel, found a way to reel me in. I can recognize my face in the mirror. My reflection doesn't get any clearer. And you can tell me that it's all just in my head. I can't discern all the voices in my head. Everything has become so unclear. Am I really healing? My heart is always bleeding.